cropping photo using a pen tool. So initially we will open a Photoshop IDE. Then now we will open File, open an image. So now we will open a simple photo. Then we will zoom the photo using Control plus. Yes, fine. So Control plus for zoom, Control minus for decrease zoom. Now you will click a pen tool. So the pen tool choose to crop an image in a proper way. So you can again control zoom. So now you will crop the image. So you will click on dot. So if you don't need the point, you can click Alt to select the point and click the delete key to remove. Now you can select the points, anchor points. So each and every magnets or anchors which will be placed on the particular location. Just click anchor points on whenever required. During selection of pen tool, in the top properties window, you will verify whether it will be properly selecting a path, the type option as path. Now you will select everything in a proper way. If not needed, you can delete the anchor point using delete key. Now you can select whatever required. Now you will select just a off image. So just I will select whatever needed. After selecting the path, just right click on that image and click on make selection. Right click on that image and click on make selection. Then press OK. So whatever you have selected, it will be selected properly. Now you can go to the menu select and click on refine edge, Alt Control R, refine edge. Then the edges was refined. So you can, if needed, you can choose the edge reduction radius. If needed, you can modify it. So now the radius was not required. Smoothness. So I will give smoothness as 10. So it will give little bit smoothness. Smoothness as 12. Then now you will choose a tool to magnify the hair and whatever required, you can just adjust it. So whatever spaces required, you can adjust properly. So it can select the area. You can fine tune that position. So wherever needed, you can fine tune the appropriate position. Yes. After fine tuning, you can press OK. Then again select refine edge. So you can fine tune everything. After that, it will select the output. You can change the output as new layer. Output mask as new layer. So the entire mask which will be generated in a new layer. So okay. So yes, it's a new layer. If needed, you can open the background. If not needed, you can remove the background. It will be selected. Now you can open another background image. If needed, you can open a background image. So you can choose a background image. And you can click and drag this layer here. You can drag this layer here. Then press Ctrl T to minimize the size. Press Enter to save the image. Now you can choose File, save the file as Kesavaraja.psd. So this is a method using pen tool to crop a image or fine tune a image. After selecting the image, just right click and make selection. After that, select and refine edge to fine tune the edges and then make it as a new layer. So this is what a method of cropping a new image. So using excellent tool named as pen tool. Thank you. Thanks for watching.